Hello, Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Shrutika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of Bright Purple, which is located near Rajaram Patil Nagar, Kharadi, Pune and developed by Bright Purple Properties. And in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, cafeteria, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. Bright Purple will be constructed on 8 acres of land parcel consisting of 5 towers. Each tower will be having basement plus ground plus 33 floors, having 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. And now let's check out the location and the connectivity of the project. The project is just located near Eon Free Zone opposite Barclays, Rajaram Patil Nagar, Kharadi, Pune. और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है Eon IT Park Pune within 1.3 km, Reliance Mall within 2.6 km and also Mundwa Chowk within 4.1 km. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 50 plus luxurious amenities like swimming pool, clubhouse, jacuzzi, multi-purpose hall, indoor games, kids play area, senior sit-out area and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Bright Purple has 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences, in which 3 BHK starting from 1100 to 1250 square feet and 4 BHK with 1800 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open. Now clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the teaser of Bright Purple, which is located near Rajaram Patil Nagar, Kharadi, Pune and developed by Bright Purple Properties. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं, आप देखना चाहते हैं, तो do let us know in the comment section. And for more such videos, click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.